Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are showcasing the step for how to import Ability Mail Server emails to Gmail. First of all, download now Recovery Tools Ability Mail Server Migrator. Use Recovery Tools Ability Mail Server Migrator and get these ultimate features. Export Ability Mail Server data group-wise and batch. Directly migrate Ability emails without backup. Save messages in default folders. To change Ability Mail Server folder language. Install and run Recovery Tools Ability Mail Server Migrator, more details check description. To convert mailboxes correctly, please ensure you have selected the correct folder path. For example, we have shown below what exact folder you need to select to get desired correct conversion results. Select folder underlined as red. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Now click on Next. There are two options available, that is Select Folder or Select File to choose Ability Mail files. Now click on the Select File option. Select the Ability Mail file from the saved location. Now click on the Select Folder option. Select the Ability Mail user's data from the saved location. If you want to convert multiple users' Ability Mail, then please check the I am converting multiple users option. Then, choose the required folders from their location. Go to this location and select Ability Mail folder. Now click on Next. You can select desired folders for the conversion. The program keeps the folder hierarchy in the Gmail. Now click on Next. The program gives you 25 plus saving options including Gmail. Select Gmail option. Use Advanced Mode option is for webmail accounts having login trouble. In this case keep the option unchecked. If you want to change the language of email folder instead of English, then choose it. Now enter the Gmail account credentials. Now enter Gmail app password. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter the created app password. If you want to copy the output files to the default folder, check this box. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you multiple filter options that are useful for the task. Now click on Convert. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Here you can buy and activate software. Click on OK. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total number of emails with folder's name. Go to Gmail. The program kept the folder hierarchy intact. Converted emails. Thank you for watching the video.